Welcome back, everybody. Today, we are gonna make some delicious shrimp tacos, but not just any shrimp tacos. They're gonna be so good, we're packed with flavor. We're gonna make a homemade cilantro lime crema and pickled onions. Let me know in the comments down below, what kind of tacos do you like? Because I like chicken tacos. Chicken tacos are probably my #1 favorite, but I also like shrimp tacos. Let me know down below. Stay tuned, shrimp tacos. I have that Blackstone Bronco 28-inch XL griddle smoker combo. I always like to start with a thin coat of oil on my griddle top. So no matter what Blackstone I'm using, that's the way I'm gonna start and finish each cook. It helps to maintain that seasoning. And you can see I have a ½ cup of water simmering away because we are gonna make pickled onions. Pickled onions, perfect topping. I made these last night, just pulled them out of the refrigerator. Let me show you how I did it. To the ½ cup of water, I'm gonna add ½ cup of apple cider vinegar, ½ cup of apple cider vinegar, combined with the ½ cup of water, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon or so of salt. We'll mix that up and bring that to a little simmering boil. Meanwhile, we're gonna grab a red onion. Looks like a cross between a medium and a large red onion. We're gonna cut that in two. I'm gonna go with thin slices. I don't make pickled onions very often. A lot like other things. Every time I do, I wish I'd done it more often. Onions into a glass container or something that can handle heat. Come back over here to my water, vinegar, salt, sugar mixture. Grab that, and we're gonna pour that into my red onions. We'll mix that up. I'm gonna let this sit and come to room temperature. When we're done, I'll put a lid on it, and we'll put that in the refrigerator overnight. And the next morning, you open up the refrigerator, and you end up with this beautiful color. Look at that, pickled red onions. They're sweet, they're tangy. Gonna show you how I make a cilantro lime crema. Start with crema, Mexican sour cream, a little bit of cilantro into the blender, and we'll go in with some lime juice. As far as I'm concerned, you can never have too much lime or too much cilantro. Put a little salt in there, or I happen to have some tequila lime because we're gonna put that on the shrimp. Blackstone Tequila Lime seasoning. And let's give it a blend. Looks like it's doing the trick. And we have our beautiful pickled onions and cilantro lime crema. Let's make those shrimp tacos. Shrimp, thawed it in the refrigerator overnight. Avocado oil, a little bit of avocado oil, extra virgin. Olive oil also works great. Garlic paste is quick. And the Blackstone Tequila Lime seasoning, check it out. This is the limited edition hat. I'm gonna give away up to 25 of these at each stop, griddlemortor.com. Again, up to 25 free hats per show. We're gonna have fun, lots of free food. I'm gonna have giveaways. I'm on the West Coast, and the East Coast or the Midwestern tour is gonna be run by committee, various people from the Blackstone office and the Blackstone Griddle crew. So depending on when this video comes out, catch me in the Phoenix area, North San Diego County, Riverside County, Fresno, California, around Oregon, Washington, Tri-Cities, south of Seattle, even Meridian, Idaho. Mix up my shrimp. I think we're about ready to go. I have my griddle blazing hot, as you can see. Down with my shrimp. I can smell them instantly. They smell so good. First thing I'm gonna do is flatten these out because we want to try to get a good sear on the shrimp. Keep these separated. I want to make sure they get seared. We're gonna flip these really quick. You can see we got that sear in 2 minutes on the first side. We're gonna flip these, and basically by the time we're done flipping these, they're gonna be done because shrimp cook super quick. I mean, that's what I want right there. Corn tortillas. Everybody knows that corn tortillas are really fragile. That's why we use 2. We double them up. 2 for each taco. I'm gonna pull my shrimp. I don't want to overcook those. It's a fine line. Just maybe 2 minutes or so on each side. We'll even do a quick taste. Woo! a preliminary, let's give it a try. It's hot. Let's go in and flip my tortillas. The important thing to remember is we're not cooking these till they're crispy. We don't want to make tortilla chips. We want to put a little bit of oil in these for flavor. That's about all we want to do with a corn tortilla, just a light toasting. If you're doing this ahead of time, you could pull out your Blackstone tortilla warmer. Perfect way to keep these warm. Get out your little taco holder, grab your tortillas, steaming hot. Again, we're doing 2 per, because if you use one, they will inevitably break. Come visit me on the Griddle More Tour. I use the small flour street taco tortillas, and that's because I don't need to double them up. It's less tortillas when I'm cooking 100 or 200 tacos at a time, and they fly better, like a Frisbee. Grab those beautiful shrimp, and I'm gonna put a decent amount in each taco. This was 2 10-ounce bags of shrimp, so approximately 20 ounces of shrimp. Now, the star of the show, one of the stars of the show, those pickled onions. Oh man, went to a restaurant with some friends this week and had some chicken tacos with pickled onions. Immediately thought, my goodness, I need to make tacos with pickled onions. This is queso fresco, any type of Mexican crumbling cheese, queso fresco, cotija, just a little bit on top. It's messy. My homemade cilantro lime crema. Oh, it's gonna be good. Woo! Cholula chili garlic, hands down my favorite Mexican hot sauce. Let me know down below what your favorite Mexican hot sauce is. A dusting of the tequila lime on top. Always looks pretty when you put some lime wedges on the side. That way whoever's eating them can put a little extra lime juice on theirs if they want to. And a little bit of fresh cilantro on top. And take a look at that. You've got to be kidding me. They look so good. Let me cleanse my palate. Let's go in there and grab a taco. Check it out. Don't tell anybody, but I might even go in for a little dip of extra cilantro lime crema. Let's give it a try. Don't tell anybody that I keep double dipping. That cilantro lime crema is so good. So good. Chicken tacos is always my #1 go-to when I'm making tacos on the Blackstone. But shrimp, I think it just climbed up the ladder. Not a big fan of shrimp burritos, no, but I love shrimp tacos. So let me know down below what kind of tacos you like. And I'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, which includes the cilantro lime crema and the pickled onions recipe as well. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network, and make sure you come out to visit me on the West Coast Griddle More Tour, griddlemoretour.com. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the shrimp tacos. Let's show you how to clean that messy griddle. #1 recommendation is leave your griddle on high heat. Cold grease, cold oil solidifies. You don't want that. You want it to be easy to clean. This is a very easy griddle to clean today. Not much mess with shrimp or tortillas. Grab my griddle scraper, get all the crumbs back there into the grease cup. Of course, every recipe is gonna be a little bit different. If you're watching my recipes on stir fry, you have a sugary sauce, then you might wanna use some water. If you want to, put a little bit of water down. Look at that, you can see it picks up little pieces of garlic. Watch the steam, it's really hot. You don't want to burn yourself. You might want to use heat-resistant gloves or tongs. Get everything back there towards the grease cup. Grab some paper towels or some blue shop rags. Those are 2 of the most popular items. Allow me also to mention that this is the best time to clean the inside of your hood. I've seen some nasty hoods out there in Griddle Nation, so I like the Blackstone cleaning cloths or the Blackstone cleaning spray. Again, being careful of the heat. Get in there when everything is nice and hot and easy to clean. Grab whatever cooking oil you have on hand. Once again, being careful, it's a hot griddle top. let it burn off for 30 seconds, maybe a minute. And you can see we're nice and clean and ready for our next cook. Beep! I bought the delicious ice cold Jarritos just for this, and I forgot Blackstone Bronco series also features a killer bottle top opener. Shrimp tacos.